Hello. So I was out walking and I noticed this interesting phenomena, and that is that the hills on one side are brown and on the other side they tend to be green. So if we look at this, you'll see again here's one brown hill and the other side is green, and if you go through the slideshow you'll see that over and over again. There's a brown side and a green side, brown side. So the question is, why would one side of a hill be brown? This is looking up, and this is 180 degrees opposite, looking down. So what is the story there? So let's give you a little bit more information about it. So why our southwest facing hills are brown? A phenomenon on our local hills, and that's what you're trying to answer. So this is the same walk, and I was noticing that one side of the hills tended to be green and the other side tended to be brown. So what could be happening? Well, let's look at the directions just a little bit. That might give you some more information. So here's our coordinate plane, north, east, south, west, set up the same orientation as Google Maps. So this would be north up here, east, west, south. So this is the area that we're hiking. Here's the trail, and so these would be in this orientation. So these would be sort of northeast facing hills, and these would be sort of southwest facing hills, right? And the trail is going straight down through here. Actually, it'd be more. These would be more north facing. These would be more south facing because the trail goes right through here. So that's where this is right here. So these would be more north, and these would be more south facing. If we look at the entrance, here's the entrance coming in. I took a picture going this way. This is Frederickson. So here's the road in the same orientation as that. And so in this case, we have our north-facing hills and our south-facing hills. So these are the south-facing hills over here, and the north ones over here. If we take a close-up of that and look at it, what we have our south-facing hills are this color, and our north-facing hills are this color, which is very interesting. You can see it here, south-facing, north-facing. So what is the story with that? Why is that happening? And that's what I want you thinking about. So one of the things in field studies is noticing phenomena, and then from noticing the phenomena you come up with some claims, and maybe you ask some other questions. So again, this is the other picture we saw. So I took pictures here. I also took pictures coming down the trail here. So this is our northwest facing, going this way, and so that's these, and they're facing northwest over here. And then I just spun around completely and took a picture going down, and that's what I saw. This is our south west facing. So I think I said that wrong. So these are our northeast facing. These are southwest facing. So again, that was right there. And again, it's just spinning around. So this is the hills facing northeast, and these are the ones facing southwest. So here's your assignment. Think of a claim that would explain this phenomenon. Support your claim with evidence from simple research. I don't expect too much from this, but the more you want to put into it, the better. Give me a good idea why this might be happening. What other information would you need, or what other questions come up from this? And then you need to post support for your claim in your portfolio on Haiku by Sunday at 11. That's this upcoming Sunday, which will be 5/3. Okay, grading, pretty simple. 30 points for your claim. Support and evidence for claim, 40 points. Posting it on Haiku is 10 points. And then finally, I'd love to see your wonderful face. So creative selfie of you on a hill, 20 points. All right, so you got to be on a hill somewhere. All right, and that does it. I look forward to reading your claims. Have a nice week.